Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced? You are in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the full Jasper reports tutorial series. In today's video, let's work on the table component in Jasper reports. We want to use table component. As you know that the table component displays data in rows and columns like in Excel sheet. Okay? Before implementing that, let's create a new project, but you can use the same project also. We want to create a new project, go to file, then we have new, let's select project, and here we want to select Jasper Reports project. Next, let's provide name for that. For example, table component, project. Okay, you can add any name, there is no problem. Then finish. Okay, the project is created, that is good. Let's create a new folder. For example, reports. Then finish. After that, let's create a new report. We have new, then we have Jasper report. Select this one. And here we want to select blank A4. Then click next. Let's provide name for that. For example, employee list report. Okay. Then click next. So we have data source. Okay. And here, what we want to do, we want to establish the connection between Jasper reports and MySQL database. Click on new. We have different data sources like CSV file, collection of Java beans, custom implementation. Then we have database JDBC connection. Select this one, then click next. Okay. First, let's provide name for the connection. For example, table connection. Okay, we have already that. Let's add one to that. Okay. Thereafter, let's select driver. We want to use MySQL database, and here we have com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Then we have database. We have Jasper Reports DB. After that, we have username. The default username is root. Then we have password. Okay. Let's test the connection to see the result. Okay, sorry. As you can see, we got an exception. Class not found exception. There is no problem. Let's fix that. We have driver class path. We want to add JDBC connection driver. We have JDBC connector. Open that. Then we have MySQL connector jar. Select this one. Then open. Let's test the connection once again to see the result. As you can see, successful. That is good. Then click finish. After that, click next. As you can see, congratulations. We successfully established the connection between Jasper reports and MySQL database. Then click finish. So thereafter, let's drag and drop table on the details section. You can place the table on the details section as well as on the summary section, but you want to use this section, which is details section. Just find table component here. We have table, drag and drop here. Okay, we have dataset. Then click next. And here we have name of the dataset. You can use the same name or you can change the name as well, but you want to leave that default. Click next. And here what we want to do, we want to use database connection, which is table connection 1. As you can see, all the databases listed from MySQL, that is good. We have JasperReports DB. Then we have tables. Here we have different tables, but we want to use this table. You can use any table, there is no problem. Let's write a simple select query. Select star from, we have employees, employees table. Click next. And here we want to add all the fields. Click next. You want to skip that, which is group by. You can group the data as well if you need it. Click next. And here we want to use JDBC connection. Okay. Let's add all the fields. Then click next. As you can see, we have table structure or table layout. We have different sections like header, column header, group footer, column footer, and we have table footer. Okay, let's finish that. Okay, we want to correct that. Sorry. So thereafter, let's add some style to the table. Just double click on that. And here we have different sections. We have table header. We want to remove that. Just select that. Then right click on that. We have delete row. After that, we have footer. Right click on that. Then delete row. And here we have column footer. Right click on that. Then we have delete row. Okay. After that, let's select all of these. Okay. We want to select all. Let's add some font size, for example 12. We want to make that center. Okay, we want to add font size to the ID also, 12 and center. Let's select the detail section also. We want to add font size 12 and center. Okay, let's save the changes. Then we want to preview the report to see the result. Okay, document is empty. Why? Let's check that. Where is the error? And here let's write a query. Once again, select star from employees. Let's read the fields, then click finish. Let's save the changes, then we want to preview the report. As you can see, now we have table report, but the report is not completed. What we want to do, we want to select this report, and here we have table. We have fit columns to table element option. Select this one. Let's save the changes, then we want to preview the report. As you can see, now we have a nice report here. You can add several styles as well, there is no problem. So after that, what we want to do, we want to select the table, and here we have border. We don't have any border. Okay, let's go back to the table. Let's select all of these. We want to select all. Okay, we want to select this one. And here we want to add padding only to the left side, for example 3 pixels. That is good. You can change the header text as well. For example, ID, then we have name, after that we have email address, we have phone number, then we have salary, then we have, for example, department. Let's select that, and here we want to make that bold. Okay, let's save the changes. Then we want to preview the report to see the result. As you can see, now we have a nice report, and here to the left side we added 3 pixels padding. Okay, that is good. After that, we want to add a static text to the title. And here we want to write, for example, employee list report. Okay. Let's add, for example, text color, this one. And then we want to add font size. Let's make that bold. Okay. Let's make that center as well. Okay. Let's preview the report, see the result. So today we completed how we can use the table component of a Jasper reports. That is good. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.